In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in Slack, whether you're working in a bustling office or remotely. From the comfort of your home, staying in the loop with your team through Slack notifications is a must. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you never miss a beat. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Slack's website at slack.com. Make sure you're logged into your account and open up your workspace. This is essentially your digital office hub where all your channels and conversations live. It's vital to ensure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple organizations. Once you've arrived in your workspace, locate the View All Members of this channel option. Typically, you'll find this in a menu or a sidebar, but it might vary slightly based on your organization's specific setup. Clicking here will allow you to see everyone present in the channel, giving you a better sense of the team you're communicating with. Next, shift your attention to your own profile within Slack. This is generally found in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on your profile will open up a new menu of options. Keep in mind that this is your personal space to adjust settings, update your status, and most importantly, for today's task, manage your notifications. After accessing your profile, look for an icon that features 3 vertical dots. These dots are universally recognized as a symbol for additional options, and clicking on them will reveal a drop-down menu. It's a simple yet crucial step that ensures we're heading in the right direction to adjust your notification preferences. In the drop-down menu, select the View Preferences option. This will open a new window or tab within Slack, dedicated entirely to your personal settings. Here, you'll find a variety of customization options to tailor Slack to fit your needs, one of which is notifications. With the Preferences window open, navigate to the Notifications tab. This tab is your gateway to staying notified and engaged. You'll notice a section labeled Notify Me About. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on All New Messages, you ensure that every message, from direct communications to channel updates, will prompt a notification. It's an efficient way to maintain awareness of ongoing discussions without having to constantly check Slack. And there you have it. With these steps, your Slack notifications are now fully enabled, positioning you to stay connected and responsive. Remember, while notifications are incredibly useful, it's important to strike a balance that keeps you informed without feeling overwhelmed. Take some time to explore other settings in the preferences that might further enhance your Slack experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Slacking.